Dear Class 5 students, our new chapter will be seeds and seeds. Okay, so I'm going to explain in Mizo again. I hope you understand and listen. Please listen carefully, and it will take about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to read from the beginning, and some project work if you can do by yourself, but not your home assignment. It will be better for you. Okay. Anyway, let's start from the beginning. Gopal was waiting for his mouse's family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then his mother called out, "Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 small bowls of chana." She was going to his bua's house and would return only in the morning. Gopal chuan mausi chung koina ron tlo hun tur hak lel hle a naktu ka holiday man paina local doni akazin tenen ei tur tui tak tak haneya in fiam vel chu chak to hle a chulai tak chuan anui na rong kowa Gopal emut main chana bol ni kha tuya lo chiaro o atia bua teina kalina tuk zinga ron ho chau don wangani. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, how will two small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessels. "How much did you soak?" asked his mother. "How did that happen?" wondered Gopal. Gopal chun chana chu chiata a ma se angai dana chuan chana bol ni chau chu mi pariat ei tur tan chun atlema tilutuka ti chuan bol ni dang chu tuya achi le tani atuk zinga anu lo ho chuan chana chu bol a leng lo chu lo tla pheng phung mai chu muta a engza ngei chi a tia Gopal chuan khati za zat engtin nge ni thei tin mak ati hle ni. "You soak too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts," Mother said. She tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. Anu chuan ichi hnem lutuk ani hi ma se thathawe tuna achan ve hi ka chu manga achan ve dang hi chu achor no turin ka da mayang eni te kan sem ve mayang doctor poin hetia chana chor hi ei turin ti kha atia chana chan ve song chu puan huina funa achor theinan chun banga khai tani. Let's discuss what things are soaked before cooking in your house. Why? Engthil tenge chum ma tuya chi nem chi te engwange. What things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time does it take? Engthil nge chor no in a trin a chor no te nei trin engtin nge lo chor engtir nge chor no hunata na man trin. Has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat sprouts? Why? Doctor ine mo tuine mo thil chor no ei turin ti to chem enge chan. Do this and find out. Do you remember that in class 4 you did an activity with seeds? Now try another one. Take some chana and 3 balls. Chana thin khachu ball pathum nen han lala. Put 5 chana in the first bowl and fill it up with water. Ti chuan ball mas vera chuan chana panga chu dala tui lei bokang. Put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton wool in second bowl. Now keep the same number of chanas in it. Make sure that the cotton wool or clothes remain wet. Bowl dang lia chuan puan them hu emo la pu emo hu dala chana panga chu dalero puan them emo la pu emo chu a hu ngai em ti en jing masaro. Put the same number of chanas in the third bowl. Ti chuan chana inang azat chu bowl pakhat dang lia chuan dale la. Do not put anything else in it. Thil eng ma I da bel to thu ni lo. Cover all the 3 balls. Ti chuan a pathum chuan han khu chin te. Okay, tell and write. In which bowl did the seeds sprout? What difference did you see between this bowl and other bowls? Engtinge alo chung seeds te thai chi te chu engtinge lo adang ne nge in thauna bowl mi ta chu. Why did Gopal's mother tie the chana in a damp cloth? Engwai nge Gopal anu khan chana kha puan hu chunga akhai kher na chan kha. Okay, the next will be project plan your seeds. Uh, Take a clay pot or a tin can with a wide mouth. Make a small hole at the bottom of the can. Fill your can with soil. Put 4 or 5 seeds of the same kind in the soil and press them gently. Different groups can plant different kinds of seeds, such as mustard, bean, sesame, or coriander, dhania. Hei hi lo ti chin thei nom chuan a thavi ong ma se assignment tur ni lovin bur kha achung ong kha lala among iti popanga lei da bokang ti chuan thai chi enga mu per kha ain zat thawin idanga leya chuan na lo te ni nem lu don nia ti chuan in thian ten en group sang sang in 10 point in ti theya hei hi ti chuan find out le discuss a khan in hmunga engtin nge thai chi chul a lo tro dan te engti rei nge a lo tro ti te tin thai chi than dan te kha inangem khonge sang chak khonge thang chak ti te kha kha in textbook mi kha in lo enanga kha ting khan in du chuan in ti ve thei ni okay, let's go on the next topic. Plants which hunt. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects, and even mice. The pitcher plant, Nepenthes, is one such plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia, and Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects into it. When the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. Thai chen kha chu ran nung te uchang te dang ei thei om tlat maya chu pitcher plant anti chu ni Australia le Indonesia ba ka India rama chun Meghalaya te oma no tung de wang hian oma na in na chin om le a he thai hian rim danglam tak mai nein ran nung te du em maya ti chu na ron boma a chunga ten lu ta a na chu a chin ta mak mai thina ran nung ta chun tanga chu ei ve ta thina ni hunting hati thiam hle mai thlai phakar takani. So many seeds. How many types of seeds can you collect? Where will you find them? Each of them should try to collect as many different seeds types of seeds as you can. After that, put all the seeds collection together. Now observe these seeds carefully. Their shape, size, colors, texture. Make a seeds chart to put up in the class. You can start with a table like this. Okay. Seeds hi engza ngei lak khom thei khoi trai ngei mu theiang nang mani khan chu chin ti thei vekani chu Mizo chuan in seeds lak khom in da khom sa chu a pian mangte a rong te le a nem le a chan dan a dang lam zia in mu theiang chu table in textbook a table ang hian in ti theia in du chuan hei hi uluk takin in fill up theia experiment in be thei tina ni chu. Okay, wandering seeds. Plants do not move around. Thai te hi ankal kol ve thei lawa. Once they grow, they remain in the same place. Ti chuan an tro to chuan mun khata khan anom reng mai ni. But their seeds are great travelers. Ma se an chiro chu mun sang a dar theia. They can reach far and wide. Ti chuan mun hla tak taka te kal thei ni. If you look at the picture one, there is a seeds that seems like a cotton wool. Lapuang deuh mai zang deuh mai kha ania leng chem thin kha in mu to mai thei. Have you ever seen any seeds that can fly? Boru ka leng chem thei in mu to em seeds kha. What is it called in your area? Chu kho sang ate veng sang ate lamdai nang lo mai theia. Chu engtinge in veng ang ko an a ming an lam thin. Okay, look at your seeds collection. Guess how many of those could have traveled by flying. Ti chuan engen yang in seeds la khom chun enula chu ta chuan a thok chi boru ka leng chem chi kha telem. Okay, if you look at picture 2, this seeds cannot fly, but it can still travel by sticking on the fur of animals on our clothes. In this way, it gets a free ride. Did you get any idea from this seeds? Read how the idea of Velcro came to George Mestral. This one, see, picture number 2 in this one. Hey hero chu boru ka leng chi ni lawa ma se a keng de ukha ti de trick kha ban ta ka ne chu thom no alo bet thina ni chu chabet kan ting chi kha ni chabet ta poi seats ve ka ni chu he thila tang hian mi pakhat George Mestral chuan thila siam chuaka an chiarang. This happened in 1948. One day George Mestral came back from a walk with his dog. He was amazed to find seeds sticking all over his clothes and on his dog's fur. He wondered what made them stick, so he observed these seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seats had many tiny hooks, which got stuck to clothes or fur. This gave Mestral the idea of making Velcro. He made a material with similar tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is used to stick together many things: clothes, shoes, bags, belts, and many more. What a way to take inspiration from nature. He thili kumsang khat ko somli pariat a thlengani. Ni khat chu George Mestral chu awin nen an waka. Akal na vela tang chuan thlai chi khat ak chu a kor vela chuan le ui mula chuan a bet fer fur mai chu muta a. Chu thlai chi chu la in microscope a chuan uluk tewina en fi ta a. He thlai chi hian kiang deuh ther fer fur a nei ti a hreta ni. Hemi awang hian Mestral chuan Velcro pon chabet kan tiang chi kha. Chu siam dana ngai tu chuak ta a. Ti chuan a thil muang tak chuan a siam ve china a thil siam chuan thom tho sang te pheikhok te kong khren te bek te thil chi sang chu a khai thein thil nget taka sui nan te mang thei ta a pathian thil siam thlai tanga voina kan man tangkai em mai Velcro pon chabet kan ti chu a siam chuak ta a aro pui tak set ani. Look at the pictures given below and guess how the seeds travel and reach different places. Kha thelei na chi thlai chi keng te savain thlai chi ei lai te thil rai te tin coconut tuya atla te picture a hang kan hmuwa. Some plants spread their seeds over long distance. When the soybean pods are ripe, they burst and the seeds are thrown out. Have you ever heard their sound? Thlai then khat hi chu hlatak taka akal dara bekang ra phei chu alo min chuan a puak ke a chi chu atla dar thin a puak ke ri hrin om to em. Think what would happen if seeds did not spread and remain at one place only. Thlai chi hi in sem dar talo se mun khata chau tlata se eng tin nge awmang han ngai tu ma te mun dang dang kan nei thei don lo ti na ni. Make a list of different ways by which seeds are spread. Eng tin nge thlai chi sang te kha in the dar ti kha a list kha in siam ve don ani. Who came from where? Have you included human beings also in your list? Yes, we also carry seeds from one place to another, knowingly or unknowingly. We bring the seeds of plants that we find beautiful or useful to grow them in our garden. Later, the seeds of these plants spread to other places. Many years later, people may not even remember that these plants did not grow here earlier. They were brought from somewhere else. Do you know from where chilies came to our country? These were brought to India by traders coming from South America. Today we cannot think of food without chilies. Mishing te po hi heng thai chi keng dar tu ni in kan in shre em. O ni e seeds chu kan keng dar alom. Shiat lai le shiat lo lain. Seeds chen kha chu moi kan ti em awang le. A tangkai na kan shiat awang kan huana phuna tan kan la a. Ti chu ka han phuna alo chawa alo rei nuin kha thlai kha alo in sem dar ta thina. Mitam tak chuan heng lai hmuna hian kha tiang thlai le pangpar te kha tun mai na om ngai lo tiang ngai to lem lo. Tu emo in aron phuna aron ken dar an thin. Mar chai khoi trai nge kan nei kan siem. South America tanga sum dong te aron ken lu dai ani. Ma se voina chuan a tel lo chuan cho tui taka e har kan ti to se ni hi. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you understand. Thank you.